Here to tell us all about it is master crafter, author, YouTube sensation, and obviously friend of Sac Co, the lovely Sophie Maletsky.
Hello, my dear.
Hello. Always great to have you.
Always fun to be here.
Yes, so let's talk about something fun to do as the kids head back.
Let's take a Ziploc bag, right?
Okay.
Just a basic Ziploc bag, and let's turn it into something you can take to school. You can use it as a lunch bag, you can use it as a purse, you can use it as a backpack, whatever you want. Okay. We just take this little old Ziploc bag. Now, here's the thing. Yeah. Duct tape has lots of steps, okay? So I've kind of given us a few head starts here. Okay, so I covered the top here. This is, where it goes together, right? And we're going to add the strap. So I've already made the strap here ahead of time. We just flipped it over. I put one strip of tape there, flipped it over onto the back, and then what we're going to do is just take a couple little pieces of tape, and we're just going to seal it up here.
So you're securing the strap onto the bag
and so the reason we're going to do this is because what we want to do is just make sure that it's not going to go anywhere, right? So we put strips of tape here, and then we would come back and put a big strip of tape over the back, right? So we're going to jump forward just because that, it takes about half an hour to make this bag.
Well, and you want to decorate this too, and you want to personalize it and make it a pattern of your own.
Absolutely.
And you got to take a little dedication into that.
It's so much fun. So see, we've got this all covered, right?
Yeah.
Now we're going to turn it into a really cute bag. So you ready for this? Fold this up right there.
Okay, you got it.
Okay, now, you remember from way back when we used to do duct tape all the time, you and I, we're going to do the half on, half off technique, which means we're going to put a piece there, and it's half on, half off. Then we're going to put another piece over here, half on, half off. Now flip that over for me, Melissa.
You got it.
And then we're just going to fold these, you and I.
Okay, done.
So we just fold that over.
And you know what I love about duct tape too here, Sophie, is that this is something that you can do with the kiddos of all ages because you don't have to worry about burns. You don't have to worry about, cutting or hurting. I mean, parents, you'll have to cut some of these for them.
Sure, exactly.
But tape is fun.
It is. And you know what? And you know what else I love about it is it's forgiving. So if you make a mistake, you can peel it off, and if it sticks to itself, it's okay. We call that a casualty. Just roll it up, make yourself a ball out of it. But it really is fixable, and you can fix everything with embellishments afterwards. Yes. So then we're going to take this little piece right here. We're just going to match this because if you look over on this right side over here, see how we have it like that? We're just going to match it on the side.
Match your seams there.
So check it out. Now you have a cute little bag, right?
You have like a little spot for your cell phone.
Exactly.
Your little keys, your pencils, if you will, for when you go to school.
And now we're going to do this. We're going to make it even one step better.
What?
Even better. We're going to put our finger in here. And we're going to make some kitty cat ears. So see that? We take that like that.
Of course.
Fold it down.
Sophie always kicked it up another notch.
Well,
it's
you
not
have
just
to have
a
some
bag.
space, right?
Yes,
you got to make it so it's like a little bag. So let's take one of these little guys right here, and I'm going to have you seal it off for me. So you take that little guy, put it right there on top.
Did I just go like that?
Yep, just on top. Perfect.
Okay.
And let's do that on the other side as well, so that we open this bag up so that it becomes like a really useful utilitarian bag.
Cute.
Then you can keep, your wallet inside. You can keep your books inside. You can keep anything you want.
Love it. And Sophie, people can get the full instructions on how to make this on your YouTube channel.
Right, exactly, which is www.sophie-world.com. Now see how that opens that up?
Oh, adorable. Look at that. That's so cute.
Right? It's like a real bag. So
that is a real bag, like a real bag. That
is
a real
bag. That's a real bag.
You like it? It's so cute.
And now we're going to do a little trim right here.
You trim.
Just to make this
Oh, see? Oh, even more designer right there.
And then, you could come back with some of those, like, fabulous gems that you and I always like to use.
Yes, and bling it. Okay, Sophie, so you do the bags. You have so many other crafts that are displayed right here. You have a book called Sticky Fingers, and you also have your website, Sophie-World.com. What? And you even made something out of blue jean.
Well,
Adorable.
Me and my overalls. So this goes in your locker, right? You hang it up, and then you can put your pencils, your scissors.
So cute. Okay, Sophie-World.com.
Right
Everybody, make sure you check it out. You're so amazing.